If you're wondering how to add comments to tasks in teamwork.com, you've come to the right place. This quick explanation will guide you through the process step by step so you can start collaborating more efficiently on your projects. In teamwork.com, comments are an essential part of keeping communication clear within your tasks. Whether you're working with a team or tracking your own progress, adding comments can help you provide updates, ask questions, or share relevant details that others need to know. Let's get started. First, log into your Teamwork account and navigate to the project where you want to add comments to a task. From the task list, select the task you want to comment on. Once you've clicked into the task, you'll see a comment section at the bottom. This is where all your communication happens. To add a comment, simply type your message in the text box. You can mention specific team members by typing I, followed by their username. This sends them a notification, ensuring they don't miss your comment. You can also add attachments to your comments, which can be really helpful when sharing documents, images, or other files relevant to the task. If you need to keep everyone in the loop, make sure to set the comment visibility correctly. By default, your comment will be visible to everyone on the task, but you can choose to make it private if needed. This way, only the people you need to communicate with will see your comment. For more structured communication, you can also use mentions in your comments to address specific individuals directly. Teamwork's task comment feature allows you to have targeted conversations without disrupting the flow of the entire team. This helps avoid confusion and keeps your discussions organized. Now, if you want to keep track of important updates or ensure something is addressed later, you can pin a comment. Pinning a comment keeps it at the top of the comment section, making it easy for you and your team to find important information without scrolling through everything. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure key updates aren't overlooked. As you move forward with your tasks, you'll notice how commenting helps to maintain a continuous flow of communication within your team. You'll be able to quickly clarify points, ask for progress updates, and make decisions, keeping everything transparent and on track. Plus, using the comment section effectively can significantly reduce the need for back-and-forth emails, making your communication more efficient and streamlined. Remember, if you're new to teamwork.com, it's completely free to start using the software from the first link below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses when you sign up through this link. This is a great opportunity to dive into all the powerful features Teamwork has to offer, including its commenting system, which makes task management a lot easier. In conclusion, adding comments to tasks in teamwork.com is a simple and effective way to improve communication and ensure your team stays aligned. Whether you're sharing updates, asking questions, or clarifying details, Teamwork's task comment feature is the perfect tool to keep your projects running smoothly. And don't forget, by signing up through the link below, you can access an exclusive extended free trial to explore everything teamwork.com has to offer.